All right, good afternoon, everybody. I'm super excited to have you guys here, and I'm also super excited making this video for you. I'm happy, and I'm sure you guys also enjoy coming on this live every Monday. I make this video for you, and if you do, please kindly drop a subscribe on this channel or just like this video so that this video can go to as many people that do really need this video. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for congratulations and everything. I'm always very active for you guys. As long as you guys are active for me, I'm active for you guys anytime, any day. All right, so I already called a trade prior to this time we came on. What I'm here to do is to trade with you guys and to make potential. Let's make profit together. All right. If there's profit to get, to make profit together. If it's losses, also we count losses and then we move on. All right. So prior to this time, I already sent a trade on AUDJPY. So here are the things I saw on the AUDJPY that made me to send a trade. First off, let's share my screen and then I get to explain everything to you in detail. All right. So I shared a trade to you guys on Telegram channel. In case you're not a part of that Telegram channel, use this link to join Fire Peeps Telegram channel. It's free. You don't have to pay nothing to join. If you want to be taking my signal back-to-back win signals and where I'm very transparent signal channel, then you may want to use the link that you also find in this free one to be able to join. So let me drop you the link first off before I proceed. So here is the link to the signal for free in case, because I'm going to be referring to that channel a lot of time. That's where I dropped the signal before we came on live here. All right, so you may want to go check it out for reference sake. So with that said, let's go ahead and share screen. So on AUDJPY, I caught a trade for a buy, right? I caught a trade for a buy here. That's because I've done my analysis. So from the 4-hour time frame, I've noticed that market kept tanking, but now it's about a time for the rise. So it started rising, immediately got here, and at the time, thought it was closing, though, but it kind of closes this way. We are in for the long run on a bull ride. All right. So right now, I still think the signal is still so very valid until proven wrong. Until proven wrong at this point. So what I'm just looking at for now is that, as a matter of fact, I want you guys, if you have not gotten in, get in again. Still maintain the same stop loss. Get in again if you've not gotten in right now. So that would mean you have a better entry than us that got in prior to this time. So just get in one more entry. If you had just one entry before, get in with another entry so that will be making it 2 entries. And your stop loss is going to be 96.159. 96.159. Do that real quick just in case you've not done that just yet. All right. Buy AUDJPY. Buy AUDJPY, everyone. So I'll assume everyone has gotten in. So if you've gotten in already, drop number 1. Whether you got in whilst we are on Telegram channel, drop number 1, or you just got in right now, drop number 1. You are risking, if you got in a first entry, you are risking 18 pips. But right now, someone who just got in right now, you are risking less, even better. You have a better entry. You are risking 12 pips. All right, let me write that down. Let me write that out because I know some people. Okay, nice stuff. You dropping number 2. If you get in now entry, you are just risking minus 12 pips, right? If you got in a while ago, prior to this time, if you got in prior to this time, then you're just risking 18 pips. All right. But I'm going to leave this entry at the worst case scenario, which is the first one we had in. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to be using the one we entered first as a benchmark. So that will mean that I'm not using this new one as a new benchmark. And then your take profit. Your take profit is going to be 96.760. TP 96.760, right? That's a take profit. Do that real quick. Let's progress to the next one. If you're ready, okay. Everyone dropping number. Okay, yeah. A lot of people already got in. Okay, good. Yeah. I'm excited that you guys are excited. I'm sure you guys have seen my prior. If you are seeing me for the first time, I want you to take your time after this live session, watch my previous one so that for educational purpose, you can get to learn and know how I do my stuff every Mondays. So every Monday, I come on live here to trade with you guys, all right? And this is free. And then if you want a paid one, you want to be doing this with me more often, that's when you want to join the mentorship, which is firepeepsfx.com. That's the website where you go to join to be a part of the mentorship, where you can get to learn all my strategy. It's right here. I don't really teach. I don't do so much teaching. All right. But in tomorrow, I'm going to be having a live trading again, just like this one. only for you to get access, you have to subscribe either from the monthly up onto the yearly, any one of them, any of this one you subscribe to. And we also have a physical academy, which is this in 3 offices. And right now the registrations are closed. You can only start registering now for next month, because we have limited slots on each of these branches. We have on Lagos Island, Lagos Mainland, and Asaba branch. These are the ones we currently have right now, right? That's for next. If you are registering, you're registering as against the next month, because this month everywhere is already booked out. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about more trades. I'm seeing more trading opportunity, right? I'm seeing more trading opportunity. Okay, so last week I did a full trade breakdown. You guys saw how I've been taking trades and how much I've been able to make, and all that. And one thing for you to do, for you to really enjoy my trade, is to make sure you sign up with a sex market and do not do more than 2 entries, 2 positions at a time. All right, 2 entries. Like now, the way I'm on this trade, right? Let me show you my trade now. I'm currently in a loss. Let me show you on my account. I'm in a loss on this trade with $14,000 right now. That's because my entry, can you see? And that's because my entry was somewhere around here. Can you see? That's because my entry was among the first ones. Can you see at the top right there? I got my entries right at the top right there, and my stop loss is beneath it. All right, good stuff. So everything I'm giving you is the exact same thing I'm also doing. Okay, I forgot to put stop on 1. Let me just readjust the stop loss, because I was trying to come live here. 159. Okay, adjust it. All right, so have it, put it on there. Now let's go. Let's start doing analysis on different pairs, and then you guys can start telling me what pair you want me to look out for you. All right. So another very promising pair that I see is GBPJPY. On GBPJPY, I am seeing a very clean sell trade setup. Sell, sell, sell. But do not sell, do not go in yet. Give me some time to doing the analysis. Let's do the analysis together. So on GBPJPY, I've been seeing a couple of rejections. So why you're seeing a lot of this rejection is because today is bank holiday in Japan. It's Mountains Day. Yeah, in observance of Mountains Day. How did I know? I came to Forex Factory. Come to Forex Factory, you expand this place. It's already expanded. See, the banks are closed in observance of Mountain Day. All right, so that's in JPY. So banks are on holiday. That means the volatility on JPY will be very low, or it can be high, depending on the few market participants that will be in the market at the time. All right. So that's on GBPJPY. Another pair I'm also looking at, but I'm looking for a sell here. I'm looking at for a sell, right? So another market I'm also going to be looking out for again is Euro JPY. Most of my pairs are JPY crossed and GBP USD crossed. All right, so can you see? I'm also anticipating for a buy move right here. So it's kind of like contradictory, because GBPJPY, if it's going down, Euro JPY should go down. So that's why I see I'm not really acting on all of them yet. I want everything to make sense, everything to align before I start executing. All right. So on Euro JPY, not too much going on. So let's check on gold. Gold. So with gold, we've been seeing a very sharp decline in price for a while now, and which is really looking very, 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 very similarly good. But right now, there's no single entry. So what we'll just do is to stay out of the market for gold right now. Stay out of the market for gold. All right. Stay out. Then GBP USD. For GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm seeing market is still also not ready to as well. But I said the sell, this sell, I spotted the sell, but I couldn't call it because it wasn't my trading session just yet. It's moved faster than I thought. It moved faster before my trading session. So we'll just let that go. So let's check something else. Let's check USD card. USD card has gone on a very buy spree. I've seen that buy already. Okay. Not too much going on here. Let's check USDJPY. USDJPY is rejecting to as well at this high. This is a very significant high where it's rejecting off of rejecting here. Let's see if price comes down, then that means it's also ready for the sell too, which is corroborating the same move as GBPJPY. Let's see CHFJPY. It's already tanking. CHFJPY is already tanking. But I'm very keen with GBPJPY. I'm very keen on this one. For GBPJPY, it looks very promising. The sell looks very promising. It looks very promising. But let's give it some more minutes. In about 4 minutes, this kind is going to close. 4 minutes, 40 seconds from now. So this kind is going to close, and then we can decide where exactly we're headed. Where exactly, whether we're closing our AUDJPY or, you guys know me, like I don't love to keep losing position. Immediately we call and then we change buyers. All right. So first off, for the records, I'm doing a trade breakdown of how I hit that $1 million on the account. So guys, get ready on that one. The video is going to be dropping pretty soon. Yeah, we have a lot of video that are currently piled up waiting for you guys to be prepared. I don't think you guys are even prepared for what's coming, because there's a lot of content we've created for educational content. Like, me, I don't shoot content because I just want to be seen. I shoot content for educational purpose only. If it doesn't inspire you, I tell my guys, if it doesn't inspire, delete it. If any line there doesn't inspire, get it out of the clip. So I put everything clean and clear, transparent, just to inspire you guys, to show you guys what is really possible. But I've really been traveling. Right now I'm in Italy. um I'm not so much in a very comfortable space just yet. That's because I still have got some things to get done before. We know how traveling can be very daunting. But no problem. So I still got you guys. Meanwhile, we are going to be doing a meet and greet session here in Italy. I'm going to be dropping a link for those who would want to visit on this meet and greet, so that they can indicate their interest. If you're in Italy or if you're in its environs and you can come around, it's going to be around next week. I'm going to drop this link like today. Make sure you fill out the form. It's going to be on my Instagram story. So just watch out. About an hour from now, I'm going to be dropping it. All right. Just after I finish right here, you check on my Instagram, then you can be able to see that link that I just made mention of. All right. So with that being said, I'm waiting for this candle to close. In 2 minutes 39 seconds, this candle is going to close. That's way this candle closes bearish, then we're going for a short. We close our AUDJPY. We will close our AUDJPY and then going for this one, but not yet until 2 minutes 20 seconds from now. That's when we're going to decide. All right. As a matter of fact, I think I should put this one side by side. Because there's not so much activity today. Let's just keep watching these two unfold right in front of us. So I'm looking at GBPJPY and AUDJPY. Let's see. In 2 minutes time, we are going to be making good decision. Great decision. So in case you're wondering how I got to this split screen, I know someone's probably asking now. You tap on this thing close to where on your template saving is. You can search anyone, but I think it's only available for premium users. If you're a premium on TradingView, I mean, premium is just about $10 or something per month. If you're sure this is going to be helpful for you, I mean, you can go for it. Just one sec. All right. GBPJPY just rejected. So we're just going to be seeing lots of consolidations there. So no trade on GBPJPY. Just leave it. Leave our AUDJPY. Leave GBPJPY. No trade yet. Except something different happened in these 49 seconds. Keep going. So I see someone saying sell gold in the comment section. Do not sell gold. It's not ideal. Do not sell gold. Do not sell none of these things. Do not. Do not. Do not sell gold. Okay, new candle just popped up, so shows a sign of indecision. So you see GBP AUDJPY is still GBPJPY is very neutral, while AUDJPY is tanking really down. So we're going to be closing our AUDJPY pretty soon, but I want you to give us to pull or back up for us at a discounted price so that we can exit. Do not exit yet, just hold on. You see that we exit at a better price or we exit at a loss. That's our stop loss point. Okay. All right, so good. On GBPJPY, let's go in for short. On GBPJPY, close your AUDJPY right now. Just close all your AUDJPY. Let's go short on GBPJPY. Meanwhile, on mine right here, close your two positions on. I'm down 22,000. Right, so I'm going to be closing right now, right in front of you guys again. So I'm going to be closing bulk operation. I'm going to do close all. I'm out. Close. So let's go on GBPJPY. Let's short on GBPJPY. So we're done with this one. I want to get rid of this one. Short GBPJPY. GBPJPY. I'm shorting right now on GBPJPY. Short. Two entries. Immediately getting on two entries. Sell, sell, sell. So for GBPJPY, your stop is going to be here. Just going right here. Your stop is going to be here. You're risking just 15 pips. All right. On the previous one, I'm going to tell you how much pips we lost on the other one. Just give me a sec, but quickly execute this one so that we don't get poor entry. 198.738. Do that right now. 198.738. This will be our last entry for today. Just one and only entry. Last entry. Do that right now. So this is the time to put stop losses around 198.738. Copy and paste for the other one. There should be two entries now. Everybody should have two entries. All right. Two entries, two entries, two entries. Yeah, you should be in profit right now on this one. In tiny profit, slow and steady wins the race. So we're just going to keep going slowly, 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 slowly. So this is one of these days that we can keep this trade after I leave here, because this trade is going to be, it might take time to get there, but it's definitely going to go. But another thing again, you guys should also know is today's holiday. That's why it's not that fast as we usually have it. I know other days we very straight to the point, straight to the point, straight to the point. We'll be having like really nice winning streaks. So don't worry, I got you guys. If you are in on this trade, drop number 2. If you are in already, drop number 2. Someone is asking which pair is this? Is GBPJPY, guys, in case you're missing it. GBPJPY. So let me share this trade. Drop number 2 if you're already in. Drop number 2. Let me know how many people, those who are with me. Let me tell them to close this one. Close. GBPJPY. To sell. SL is 198.738 TP. take profit is 198.242. 198.242, right? That's on the paid group as share to the free one. So I mean, everyone is well served right now. So I also want to see, we are in profit right now on this trade. All right, we're in profit. We are about to even cover all of this one that we. So in case you missed this trade, this is the trade, right? GBPJPY, it's a sell trade. Your stop loss is 198.738 and take profit is 198.242. No one should miss this trade, right? No one should. All right, a lot of people already in on this trade. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Congratulations, guys, for those who are in. Congrats. You're already making profit. Okay, good. So the other one was just, unfortunately balance. The analysis is not so going well, wasn't going well for me at the time. So I'm up again. I'm up right now, $8,000 right now. You see, though it's still not up to what I lost in the previous one. So it's just me trying to want to recoup losses for today. All right, this is 8,000, 9,000 thereabout. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I want to make sure I make what I just lost back and even more. So we're up $10,000 right now. So let's keep going. So let me show you some more other things that you guys can do to. So now that price, what you guys can do to maximize on your risks and maximize on your win rather, and minimize your risk. What you can be doing now that price has started moving in that direction, we have to wait for 8 minutes for this candle to close, and then we're going to tighten stop loss so that we can be risking about nothing. So we can be risking like almost zero, nothing, because that's the goal, to risk nothing. Then let's check couple of more trades. Let's see if we can add more position, one more trade, so that we can have AUDJPY. Oh, this one has already moved. GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Okay, it's moved too as well. XAUUSD. For XAUUSD, I'm seeing a bit of reaction off of this zone. So this is a previous low. It's testing off this zone, but then we have a break to the downside. Whether it's going to continue downside, it's most likely going to continue to the downside. But there's no proper structure yet, so I'll just pass. I'll pass. So let's check on USDJPY. We saw it the other time. It broke to the upside. Right now it's rejecting, it's declining. Okay, in 6 minutes time we'll be able to take decision. If we close it back down into this level, we're going to be shorting USDJPY too as well. We're going to be shorting USDJPY. All right. Not now. When that happens. What other thing? So now it's time for Q&As. Ask me like decent question, not too deep, just trading related questions only. Do not ask me personal questions, please. It's trading time. It's trading time. Do you ever use indicator at all? No, I don't use indicator at all. I don't use indicator. I mean, that's not a flex. I'm just telling you that's my system. So that doesn't mean people that use indicator, they are bad traders. No. In fact, as long as you're making profit and you have a good trading system, you have record, you have an edge, you're a good trader. All right, but I just don't use indicator. Taufik, big up. He said, with your video on YouTube is sufficient to become a successful trader. Exactly. I'm happy you know that already. I'm happy you know. What time frame do you use to analyze each entry position? I start from 4 hours. I come to 1 hour for current trend, and I execute 15 minutes. Is what 15 minutes candle is what gives me the go ahead. The candle, what gives say, okay, now you can go ahead and hit and go ahead and take your trade. Someone said we hit stop loss on AUDJPY. No, we did not hit stop loss. We exited before that even happened. At least everybody was here when I said exit. See, everyone was here when I said exit, and there There is a track record. Everything is recorded here. I already said you should exit somewhere around here since, because I saw that market has changed. So, but for me, I still count it as loss and leave it there, then delete this one. So that's why you can see my history here. See, my history doesn't lie. I have history here to show a lot of things. So you can keep seeing history, history, history. So the same way I also have it on all my journal. All right. Okay. What other thing? What other thing we're missing now? CHFJPY. For CHFJPY, it's an interesting pair. I'm just seeing a sharp decline in this on this pair. So market will keep coming down. But let's just focus on GBPJPY. Nothing much going on here. So on GBPJPY, we're still in the profit. So pretty much this is the only one that gave us profit today. AUDJPY played us. We lost about 10 pips in stop loss. Okay, how many pips did we lose there? I remember saying that I was going to tell you the number of people we lost. So for those who got in right here, and we all exited somewhere around here, so you lost 13 pips. 13 pips. And as a result that I lost 22k in my two position, 100 lot, 100 lot in 200 lot in two places, right? And then for those who got in somewhere around here, other people got in somewhere around here, you only lost 7 pips. So it's decent. But now still same us, we are up half of what we just lost. I'm up 10,000 already. But I'm not closing yet because I know GBPJPY is still going to dump on us. Still going to dump. It's going to decline, sharp decline. In Fire Pips, do you teach the strategy you are using? Yes, everyone uses the same strategy. That's what I teach everybody. Is Mentor is $20 a bad profit for beginner with $6? That's so much profit for $6. That means you double the account times 3 or even more. That's crazy profit, man. You should be careful so you don't blow it, because the more you make that money, the same way you make that money fast is also the same way you could also lose it. Always think two sides. Don't just think about the wins. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, Jeff, sometimes I get in too early and price goes up, takes me out, and go to my intended direction. How can I regulate this? You can't 100% eliminate this, but you can reduce it. All right. So that means you have to play with. Trading is more of a waiting game. You have to be more patient to see how well it's going to do. You have to wait for a confirmation can do. Go to your journal and check which times does this thing happen. You have to make sure you trade in session. You have to know what to trade, when to trade. When to trade, you have to make sure that you are trading at exact London and exact New York session. So it's if you get in prior to these sessions, that when the session opens, market can move erratically and take you out before start moving in the direction we're supposed to go. All right. All right. Royal Gods. He said, what's the biggest mistake you see new traders make? The biggest mistake these days is like having too many mentors. Like they listen to this one, listen to that one, listen to this one, listen to that one. Now, trading is just like no one really knows. Everybody have their own truth. What really works for them, right? You have to really stick to one that best resonates with you and just follow the person, right? Not wanting to start comparing. Oh, this one is doing this. This one is using indicator. Jeff doesn't use indicator, so hence Jeff is better. No. Or this one is doing. This one doesn't have that. This one. Just follow one's teaching. The one you know that best resonates with you. Stick to the person and then keep going. You understand what I'm saying? That's the major thing I see these days happening. All right. Do you execute trades? So how do they execute trade on MT5? That's another very different topic. So if you're struggling executing trade, that means you're a beginner, and then you should be part of our mentorship, right? And under our mentorship, you come on here. There's a part that says the curriculum, beginner's curriculum, intermediate curriculum, advanced curriculum. So check through this curriculum that talked about that topic, and then you know the one to join whenever you join our mentorship, right? How to place trade is something that you need to be guided on step by step. It's not so difficult only when you know it. All right. Whatsoever you know is not difficult, right? So that's why it's important you have to join to really learn it, then it can be simpler for you. I can't start explaining now. It's a bit complex. What is your trading strategy? I teach that one. I'm going to teach that tomorrow again on the. So when is people coming to Abuja, that's going to be happening pretty soon. Abuja, here we come. We're working on that pretty soon. Max September will be in Abuja. All right. What else? Okay, so let's go over the trades again. Let's look around. Let's check trades and all that. So first off, I'd like to check gold. I can see some people giving a shout out on gold. So I should check gold. So what's going on? Okay, we talked about the sell. Now it's dropping. Yeah, but then I don't want to get in. Told you if it drops here, boom, 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 gold is going to keep selling. So it's going to keep selling, guys. It's going to keep selling. All right, GBPJPY. This is the trade we are in on right now. Yeah, it just closed down. So we hold this trade. We are going to see more fluctuation up, down, up, down, up, down, but we definitely will hit TP. All right, so just keep holding this trade. It's a long run trade, and then we're going to be breaking even on our first initial loss we had on AUDJPY, and then we'll get to make profit on top of that. That's what I'm looking forward to achieve with this trade. So if this trade goes down, maybe close any kind of body of the candle that closes below this initial low, we are going to be tightening our stop loss, and I will communicate that in the free Telegram channel. All right, so make sure you stay tuned right there and keep watching. That's all for today. All right, so let me just give one solid advice and then I call it a day. Are you ready for that advice? Say good. So if you're a newbie, make sure you get serious this year, all right, or this month, or this trading time, whatever time season you want to capitalize, it's fine. Make sure you really get serious because people are really getting a lot achieved with trading. I was in Paris a couple of days back. I saw there are people, couple of people I met who were nothing, who were doing it like, to them, they told me, say, Jeff, I was nothing a couple of months ago, but right now, I'm not where I want to be yet, but then who I never thought I would be in a couple of months back. So that's one thing I just want you guys to know. Stay motivated, stay locked in the game, keep showing up every now and then. All right. It's not just about the views online, it's about what you can actually do for yourself. The time that you set out to check your charts, take your trade and all of that, to take your trade, to just do your stuff, right? Make sure that you keep showing up. The number of time you show up means that the number of time that you're getting closer to your success. All right, keep showing up, keep doing, keep acting. All right, so I'm going to be signing out pretty soon, but do not sign out your trade just yet. All right, so right now, at the time I'm still with you, I'm up $6,000 in profit with you guys. We'll keep holding until you get a substantial amount, and I'm going to tell you guys when to close. So keep holding. I'll keep you guys posted in the group. So right now, I have to run. I have somewhere else I'm heading to, so I just have to make sure I stop by, plug onto Wi-Fi, and then talk to you guys. All right. So take it easy, guys. Stay locked in profit. Stay locked in profit, and I'll see you next week. Same time, same place again next week, Monday. All right. Bye for now, guys. Bye.